Bisho massacre survivor Lucky Machona, who now relies on a disability grant to survive after becoming disabled from being shot 3 times 33 years ago, says there is no reconciliation in South Africa.
Hayi seswam andizoxoka akabikho tu nqona le nkuleko kuthethwa ngayo ze-crimes imbuqu yesonke laa nto into ngoku esiphila phantsi kwayo yi-favoritism eqhubekayo ne-nepotism. Ozo zinto ke aba basentanjeni benza loo nto leyo. I'm very sorry but salisebenzisa eli gama. Ndiyaqonda ndimanyelwe yi-public. Nale nto uthiwa yi-bedroom politic. Umntu athi woba sendaweni akuxelele yenze appointment. Uyenza njani appointment? Bu-ana-oppressed office struggle somzabalazo but namhlanje uchazelwe appointment xa usiye ezo-ofisini.
Machona has also criticized the way Reconciliation Day is currently celebrated. He says the government must support the families of the struggle veterans.
Le mine yanamhlanje kwezi families sinabantu abawayo phantsi kwevili lomzabalazo. Akuncedi into kuyiwe kobe emangcwabeni zibe iifemeli zabo zistruglisha. Kuqala khona ibuhlungu njengeusafara ngestarvation. Secondly, kujongwe kwezi family zonke zizindlu zaba bantu bawayo be-under oppressed office struggle. Kujongwe baphila njani abantwana babo, abanye mhlawumbi bapasile nasefasiti. Kwaba bonzakele base-casualty namhlanje, physical challenge, be-under i-struggle, bebesilwa baconsidereshwe nabo.
Another veteran, Vuyani Limba, shares the same sentiments as Machona, saying the day has lost its meaning because it is just treated as a day to have fun.
Responsibility as elders to conscientize our youth, drive them away from Gizndo. Make sure that ulucha to know where we are coming from. Without the youth, the younger generation, they know where we're coming from, unfortunately. So we have that responsibility to work very hard in ensuring that we try our best in ensuring that those young people must come on board and understand what is this all about. I want to blame us, some of us as parents. We might have failed. That's why some of the youth today, they don't care about celebrating these days because we have failed as elders to try and teach them about the history of this country.
Today, President Cyril Ramaphosa delivered a keynote address at the National Commemoration of Reconciliation Day at the Ngome Museum in KwaZulu-Natal. For Mpumakapa TV News, I am Sisi Pomtiki in Gqeberha.